Hey, what's going on? So this is the last of the 3-part video of plowing. So the last one I'm doing here is my last big commercial lot. This is the Route 20 Sofa Company in Nelson, New York. And this one takes me 45 minutes to an hour. It's a big gravel parking lot, and the gravel's all soft because it's been warm and we haven't really had much snow this winter or cold. So gotta be kind of careful with it and try to not make a huge mess. So if you want to check out part 1 and 2, I will link those down in the video description. And then, yeah, like I said, this is part 3. So here we go. All right, well, I just finished the Silva Company. I think that took about 50 minutes. I'm not exactly sure, but somewhere around there, pretty close. And yeah, it didn't go too bad. The edges were pretty soft and muddy, but the center of the parking lot was pretty frozen, so that wasn't terrible. But yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up down below. Consider subscribing for more plowing videos and lots of other stuff on this channel. And you can check out this playlist of plowing videos, and here's another plowing video. This is the part 2 of the series that I was talking about earlier. That's the last big commercial one I just did. And then you can click this button right here to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.